Hello technology enthusiasts! You will witness the wonders of our world made possible by engineering marvels. Please hit subscribe and like if you are ready to be amazed by the extraordinary power of wood chippers and lifting cranes. The Vermeer TG5000, like a giant wood grinder, transforms old timber into valuable raw materials for new projects. With a powerful 440 horsepower diesel engine, sharp cutting blades, and advanced dust processing system, the machine operates efficiently while ensuring a clean and safe work environment. Moreover, it can grind logs for construction, produce wood chips for the paper industry, or process bamboo, reeds, and sawdust. Thanks to these capabilities, the machine contributes to environmental protection and promotes sustainable economic development. The Mammoet New Generation Heavy Lift Cranes are a new generation of cranes capable of lifting loads up to thousands of tons, catering to needs ranging from large wind turbine components to nuclear power plant structures. With a flexible design, individual components are designed to fit into standard 20-meter containers, facilitating easy transport worldwide. Despite their high lifting capacity, they maintain a compact footprint with a post-assembly radius of about 22 meters. The Senebogen 735E pick-and-carry timber handler is a specialized tool for wood handling at wood processing plants in Austria. Equipped with a crane and a maximum reach of 12 meters, it allows for quick lifting and moving of large timber blocks. The machine can lift loads up to 35 tons and features integrated e-control electronic control technology for precise operation, optimizing productivity and reducing waiting times. With its flexible mobility and clean working environment, it's an ideal solution for modern wood processing plants in Austria. Terracotta and John Deere I-grade make the perfect combination for modern agriculture. Picture vast, lush green fields stretching to the horizon, where every seed is nurtured by advanced technology. Terracotta delivers absolute precision in land cutting, while John Deere I-grade ensures perfect control, optimizing every piece of land. Together, they transform fields into richer, more productive landscapes than ever before. If you're seeking perfection in farming, this machinery is the answer. The Timber Pro TL745D Feller Buncher handles timber harvesting duties in New Hampshire. With its Cummins 320 engine, it effortlessly cuts through large trees, ensuring utmost efficiency. Its ability to maneuver over rough terrain coupled with advanced control systems not only enhances productivity but also safeguards the forest environment. Imagine the sound of forests being conquered by cutting-edge technology, delivering a bountiful harvest season. The Vermeer T658 trencher, capable of digging trenches up to 2.4 meters deep and 450 m wide, is not just a powerful tool but also a reliable partner in every project. Its presence spans across all terrains, each dig advancing the installation of cable and water systems. Equipped with advanced technology, the machine relentlessly conquers tough ground, creating precise and deep trenches, thus driving progress in the construction industry. If you're interested in a video featuring the BRAC 12B tree planting machine, leave us comment number 1. The CAT D8K paired with the Roam scraper box is a perfect blend of exceptional power and remarkable efficiency in earth-moving tasks. Equipped with a D8K engine delivering 415 horsepower and 1,549 pound-feet of torque, it swiftly moves earth and materials. The Roam scraper box features sharp blades and a large specialized bucket, ensuring precise and economical material handling with every operation. This combination is indispensable for reservoir construction, highway building, mining operations, and landfills. The Bauer BG28H and 36V drill rig combination is notable for re-drilling pilot walls from 900 m pilot piles. The BG28H, with a drilling diameter of up to 2000 m and a drilling depth of up to 80 meters, provides powerful pulling force and high precision. Meanwhile, the 36V drill rig, compact in size with agile mobility, ensures efficiency and time savings. This combination enhances drilling productivity, ensuring accuracy and operational efficiency. The Caterpillar 826G with Karen transfer station wheels and DSU trash blade cutting edge is a leading solution in waste management. Its specially designed wheels ensure smooth movement over landfill terrain while compacting waste to optimize landfill space. The DSU trash blade allows efficient cutting and distribution of waste, reducing processing time and costs. The Caterpillar 826G delivers high performance and superior durability, making it an indispensable tool for modern landfill operations. The large-size D5 horsepower saw is a specialized tool used for rapid and efficient dismantling of wind turbine blades. With its 2.2 diameter diamond saw blade, the machine can cut through the entire cross-section of the turbine blade up to 2/3 of its length. This increases dismantling speed and reduces labor costs significantly. Are you dealing with stubborn, large tree stumps on your property? The Stumps Shear 500 is the optimal choice for you. With its sharp cutting blade and the ability to cut up to 50 tons, this machine effortlessly handles all types of tree stumps and wooden posts up to 500 m in diameter. Its 360-degree rotating system allows flexible access to every angle and challenging terrain. Simple and low maintenance, it's an efficient solution for quickly removing tree stumps, leaving your land ready for the next task. The Mechlift ML1812R is a unique, versatile forklift capable of lifting loads up to 18 tons and operating efficiently in tight spaces such as containers and warehouses. Unlike conventional forklifts, it offers various Mechlift attachments to handle a range of material handling tasks. It can lift and stack 20-foot containers up to 3 tiers high, with a hydraulically adjustable cabin that optimizes visibility when working with large materials. The TigerCat 480 stump grinder is designed to remove tree stumps, branches, and other solid materials. Powered by a 470 horsepower Cat C9 diesel engine, it can handle even the toughest materials. The grinding system features 48 hardened steel blades for fast and efficient processing. The machine also comes equipped with a powerful hydraulic cutting blade and a flexible mobility system. This machine is an ideal choice for clearing tree debris and other material removal tasks. Get ready for an incredible boost with the Liebherr LTR 1150. With a lifting capacity of up to 150 tons, this crawler crane is renowned in the construction industry. Its flexible Vario base system adjusts the track width, allowing the crane to operate smoothly. The ability to transport fully assembled saves time and costs, while its powerful engine and fuel-efficient performance ensure optimal effectiveness and superior safety for any project. The Volvo dump truck, with its diverse models, is a symbol of strength and versatility in the construction and mining industries. With a payload capacity often reaching up to 60 tons, the truck offers flexible operation. The dump box capacity can go up to 40 cubic meters, combined with a stable transportation speed of 60 km per hour and an impressive hill climbing ability of 40%. This truck is a prime example of handling heavy cargo transport across all types of terrain. Stone cutting machines in quarries are essential tools in the stone extraction industry. The engine power typically ranges from several kW to several dozen kW, depending on the specific model. The blade size, cutting depth, and cutting speed are adjustable to meet the specific requirements of the stone extraction process. The weight of the machine also varies, depending on its size and power. The Liebherr A914 excavator stands out not only with its diesel engine but also with its efficient hydraulic system, ensuring smooth and precise control in all tasks. The 6-cylinder Liebherr engine delivers up to 129 horsepower and 573 pound-feet of torque, ample power for handling tough jobs. The spacious and comfortable cabin enhances operator comfort, featuring a wide view and convenient control buttons that facilitate ease of operation. Bract 11. A pine sapling planting machine is a versatile tool for forest regeneration. The machine performs from tilling the soil to planting trees with just a single device, planting 100–150 trees per hour, ensuring proper placement and depth. The machine works on many different terrains, from flat land to gravel soil, saving time and money compared to manual planting, especially on large areas. Using this machine helps minimize environmental impact by keeping the topsoil intact, improving the efficiency and productivity of pine forest planting. ILF Alpha F12 Raider Discovery Roadside Lawnmower is a specialized tool for cutting grass and bushes along roads and roadsides. Manufactured by Energreen, the machine is equipped with two 80 cm diameter disc cutting heads, helping to cut grass quickly and effectively on many terrains, including steep and rough terrain. The machine can cut close to obstacles such as fences and poles without damaging them, contributing to road and landscape maintenance. The Timber Pro TL735D combined with the Skidmore CF24 blade stands out in cutting hardwood thanks to its high performance and precision. The cutting blade has a diameter of 76 cm and a thickness of 0.41 cm, designed to cut hard wood into logs suitable for the intended use. The machine can cut long pieces of wood, ensuring cutting to the desired size. Precise control system and advanced safety design make operation easy, increase productivity, and reduce wood processing time. Are you having a headache in handling large logs? The Wood Miser LT70 is a portable wood sawing machine with a thin 0.35-inch blade, designed to cut soft and hard woods efficiently. The machine is capable of cutting logs to a diameter of 81 cm and a length of 6 meters, ensuring accuracy and saving wood waste. With extraordinary power, the machine creates smooth and beautiful boards, satisfying all production needs and the art of wood sawing. Pond's Buffalo King, a specialized, multi-purpose logging machine designed to lift and transport wood with maximum efficiency. With a 360-degree rotating crane and superior lifting capacity, it easily reaches and moves wood from any location in the forest. Strong grippers hold wood safely during transportation, suitable for different sizes. With the machine's outstanding advantages, Pond's Buffalo King deserves to be the top choice to optimize wood harvesting efficiency and increase profits. Thurer ZUSW 500 high-speed train laying machine is an advanced model, specially designed to renew tracks on high-speed railways with outstanding quality. The highlight of this machine is the ability to simultaneously replace sleepers and rails using the assembly line method, ensuring accuracy and optimizing time. With a highly automated process, the machine can lay up to 50 meters of track per hour, saving costs and increasing safety. This machine also ensures durability and safety for the rails, suitable for high-speed railways with difficult curves and slopes. A beautiful morning over Utah's 10-foot-deep snow landscape, the Bombardier BR400 shines like a winter beast. With its powerful Rotax 37 engine, it easily overcomes the thickest and most difficult snow. The four-wheel system helps the BR400 move smoothly on all terrain, ensuring effective snow cleaning. The 2 meters wide snow cutting blade combined with a hydraulic lifting system helps the machine level and handle thick snow quickly. The two-blind BF8000 bale processor is a perfect speed handler for straw handling on the field. With the capability to process all types of straw up to a diameter of 6 feet and a weight of 2,500 pounds, the BF8000 is not only powerful but also versatile in any environment. Its impressive performance of up to 30 tons per hour saves time and effort. Designed to be simple and easy to use, the machine also stands out with its exceptional durability, providing an ideal experience and optimizing profitability for farmers. With John Deere X9 1100 and Capello 16 rows, the perfect couple conquering the French golden rice fields. John Deere X9 1100 with 725 horsepower engine is ready to conquer every rice field, bringing incredible harvest productivity. Combined with a 16-row harvester, the X9 1100 transforms into the perfect harvesting machine, optimizing efficiency and productivity. Let these two machines accompany you, turning the French harvest into the joy of a bountiful harvest. Claas Zerion 4200 multi-purpose tractor from Claas, ready to conquer all terrains. Designed with a modern suspension system, Zerion 4200 operates smoothly and fertilizes accurately. Large capacity tank helps get the job done quickly, with a smart fertilizing system that optimizes efficiency. The multi-purpose capabilities of the Zerion 4200 allow for many tasks from plowing to harvesting and transportation. The spacious cabin provides a comfortable and safe driving experience. DJI Agris T50 is the top choice in modern agriculture, with the ability to carry loads up to 50 kg and large spray flow of up to 16 liters per minute. This equipment is designed to spray fertilizers and pesticides accurately and effectively, helping to improve productivity and protect the environment. Equipped with advanced sensors and GPS systems, the machine automates field work processes and operates continuously for many hours on a single charge, bringing convenience and efficiency to farmers.
The professional hydraulic wood clamp Model P is considered the perfect solution for the forestry industry. designed from high-strength steel to ensure durability and long lifespan. Its 360-degree rotation capability and ease of installation and use optimize work efficiency. A powerful hydraulic system provides high clamping force, handling wood of various sizes and weights. The clamp design with sawtooth protection ensures wood safety and reduces slipping during wood movement. You know anything about how to operate this T1155 trencher? Leave me comment number 1. At the construction site in Parndorf, Prangle successfully installed the Terex AC 1000/9 all-terrain crane. This crane has a lifting capacity of 1,200 tons and a maximum system length of 163 meters. The installation process was meticulous, covering aspects from the 9-axle chassis to the 50-meter main boom. This careful approach ensured stability and operational efficiency. Once installation was complete, the crane underwent thorough testing and trials. This installation serves as evidence of engineering progress and the ability to overcome challenges in the construction industry. The Ponce Scorpion King harvester with the H7 harvesting head and C50 crane cuts and trims trees, precisely and quickly optimizing wood production. Equipped with a powerful drivetrain system, the machine has a reach of up to 11 meters and lifting force of up to 16 tons, effortlessly lifting and moving wood at high speed. This machine is the top choice for timber harvesters. The Pettibone Speed Swing is a versatile rubber-tired crane ideal for railroad maintenance. With a lifting capacity of 2,575 tons, boom lengths ranging from 1,220 meters, and a travel speed up to 40 km/h, the machine aids in laying track, switches, and an efficient cleanup. Designed for ease of use and safety, this machine is the perfect choice for railroad companies, enhancing efficiency and cost savings. The Claas Exerion 3800 by Claas Germany is a powerful multi-purpose tractor widely used for snow blowing thanks to its Mercedes-Benz diesel engine producing 380 horsepower and 1,880 of torque. Equipped with a full-time four-wheel drive system and the ability to rotate 360 degrees, the Exerion 3800 operates easily on all types of terrain, from city streets to large areas, ensuring efficient snow clearing. The Volvo ECE 550E is a mid-size hydraulic excavator featuring a Volvo D8 Tier 4 final engine that produces 261 horsepower. It boasts a notable bucket capacity of 3.9 m and can excavate with a long reach arm and digging force up to 200 ch, ensuring efficient material handling. The spacious cab provides excellent visibility and a comfortable working environment for the operator. The Wirtgen SM2500 is a popular surface mining machine in the limestone quarrying industry. With sharp cutting blades and a powerful drive system, the machine efficiently mines limestone to a depth of 2.6 feet and at a speed of up to 5 feet per minute. The machine's productivity reaches up to 900 tons per hour, saving time and effort. It is an ideal choice for businesses looking to enhance production efficiency in the limestone quarrying industry. The giant crawler excavator, or Bagger 288, is an icon of strength and impressiveness in the mining industry. Standing at 220 meters tall, measuring 450 meters in length, and weighing over 13,500 tons, it is one of the largest and heaviest machines ever built. This machine is equipped with giant crawler tracks and a bucket capable of excavating soil and rock at a speed of up to 460 cubic meters per minute, enabling the extraction of over 300,000 tons of coal per day. The Liebherr LTM 1500 8.1 is an 8-axle mobile crane, a giant machine in the construction industry with a lifting capacity of 500 tons, ideal for large-scale projects. With a maximum boom length of 75 meters, the machine has the capability to reach far and lift heavy objects easily. It maneuvers flexibly across all terrains, designed with modern features including spacious cabins and advanced functionalities, making it a valuable asset for precision-demanding projects. The Duleville 6000 sweeper is a name familiar to those concerned with street environmental sanitation, boasting a sweeping width of up to 3,000 m and an efficient brush and dust suction system. It is equipped with a 201 horsepower diesel engine, a 4.5 EM waste container, and a 2-stage dust filtering system. This machine minimizes dust dispersion and effectively protects the environment. With its powerful features and environmental friendliness, would you like to own an environmentally friendly machine like the Duleville 6000 sweeper? The Caterpillar D11T is the largest and most powerful crawler dozer ever produced by Caterpillar, known as a behemoth in the mining and construction industries. Powered by a Cat C32 diesel engine delivering 685 horsepower and robust torque, the D11T efficiently moves and levels terrain on rough terrains. With an 18-foot wide blade and a powerful hydraulic system, along with independent suspension, the dozer smoothly grades materials. The Mizar Baler hydraulic baling machine is an ideal choice for compacting cars in the scrap metal recycling industry. With a capacity of 4,120 tons, the machine compresses car parts into compact bales measuring 1,200 x 800 x 1,000 mm. The baling process involves 4 steps: feeding, compressing, tying the bale, and ejecting it. Using this machine optimizes recycling efforts, saves on storage and transportation costs, while ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. Lindner Araco 95DK and Rotochopper 266 are optimal solutions for processing wood waste. Araco 95DK performs primary shredding at 1040 tons per hour with an input size of 950 m and output of 2120 m. Rotochopper 266 handles secondary grinding at 1025 tons per hour with an input size of 100 mm and output of 540 mm. This system delivers high efficiency, consistent output, ease of use, and safety, making it an ideal solution for wood recycling businesses. It helps reduce costs and protect the environment. The Pronar MPB 20.55 mobile compost screening machine boasts high efficiency and flexibility. With a multi-level screening system and a 20 mm mesh size, the machine removes impurities and converts compost into uniformly sized pellets, suitable for agricultural need. A powerful diesel engine enables the machine to process up to 400 am/h, ensuring high performance and stability. Its mobile design with crawler tracks allows easy movement across all terrains, while a simple control system supports efficient operation. The Carlton 7015 is a standout mobile tree stump grinder capable of efficiently processing large tree stumps up to 48 inches in diameter. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful engine, the machine handles all types of tree stumps, from hard trunks to tough roots. Using this machine saves time and effort, operates efficiently with low operating costs, and is environmentally friendly by recycling tree stumps into fertilizer or soil cover. However, it comes with a high price tag and generates significant noise, requiring specialized maintenance.